You are one of one. There is no one else in the world exactly like you. No one else has lived your life. Your journey is uniquely yours. Your experiences, passions, and perspectives are yours alone. They shape who you are. This uniqueness is your superpower. Embrace it with confidence. In a world obsessed with trends, the most profitable niche is you. Your individuality is your greatest asset. Stop chasing the next big thing. Trends come and go, but your true self remains. Stop trying to fit in. Authenticity is far more powerful than conformity. Embrace what makes you different. Celebrate your quirks and talents. Your authenticity is your edge. It's what sets you apart from the rest. It's what will draw people to you. People are naturally attracted to genuine individuals. It's what will make you stand out in a crowded market. Your uniqueness is your competitive advantage. Think about it. What are you naturally good at? What comes effortlessly to you? What do you love to talk about? What topics ignite your passion? What problems have you solved in your own life? Your solutions can help others too. The answers to these questions hold the key to your niche. They reveal your unique value. It's time to stop undervaluing your unique blend of skills and experiences. Recognize your worth. You are sitting on a gold mine of untapped potential. Your abilities are waiting to be unleashed. It's time to start digging. Discover the treasures within you and let them shine. What lights you up? What activities or moments make you feel truly alive and in your element? What gets you fired up and talking a mile a minute? What subjects or ideas can you discuss endlessly without losing enthusiasm? Your passions are not random. They are clues to your purpose, guiding you towards what you are meant to do. They are the fuel that will drive your success, providing the energy and motivation needed to reach your goals. But passion alone is not enough. It needs to be paired with something more substantial. You need to combine it with your experiences, the unique moments that have shaped your journey. Your experiences, both good and bad, have shaped you into the person you are today. They are the building blocks of your character. They have given you valuable insights and skills that you can use to help others. These experiences are your unique assets. Think about the challenges you've overcome. Each obstacle has taught you resilience and determination. Think about the lessons you've learned. Every experience, whether a success or a failure, has imparted wisdom. Think about the times you've helped someone else. These moments of connection and support are invaluable. These experiences are your assets. They prepare you for future challenges and opportunities. They are the foundation of your business. Your past experiences inform your strategies and decisions. Don't be afraid to mine your experiences for gold. There is immense value in what you have lived through. The more you share your story, the more you will connect with others who have been through similar things. Your experiences can inspire and guide others on their own journeys. Traditional advice tells you to niche down, find a small, specific market, and become the expert. But what if you didn't have to choose? What if you could be the expert in you? The truth is, you don't have to fit into a predefined box. You can create your own category. You can become the niche. Think about it. The most successful people in the world didn't follow the crowd. They didn't try to be like everyone else. They embraced their weirdness. They built their businesses around their passions, and they created something truly unique. You can do the same. Don't be afraid to be bold. Don't be afraid to be different. The world needs what you have to offer. Section 4, the power of you, owning your unique story. Your story is your superpower. It's what makes you relatable. It's what builds trust. It's what creates a connection with your audience. In a world of perfectly curated social media feeds, people are craving authenticity. They want to connect with real people who have faced real challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Share your struggles, share your triumphs, share the lessons you've learned along the way. The more you share your story, the more you will attract people who resonate with your message. You will build a community of people who believe in you and your vision. Section 5, Actionable Steps from Passion to Business. Now, let's get practical. How do you actually turn your passions and experiences into a profitable business? Here are a few actionable steps. First, identify problems you've solved. What challenges have you overcome in your own life? What solutions did you find? Second, brainstorm business ideas. How can you use your experiences to help others solve similar problems? Third, validate your ideas. Talk to potential customers. Get feedback on your ideas. Fourth, start building. Create a website, launch a product, or start offering your services. The most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect plan. Just start. Section 6, Building Your Tribe, Sharing Your Story. Once you have a business idea, it's time to start sharing your story with the world. Create content that is authentic, engaging, and valuable. Use social media to connect with potential customers. Share your story on your website and blog. Get interviewed on podcasts and webinars. The more you put yourself out there, the more people you will reach. And the more people you reach, the bigger your tribe will become. Your tribe is your community of loyal fans and customers. They are the people who believe in you and your mission. They are the ones who will support you on your journey to success. Section 7, Embrace the Journey. Content consistency and community. Building a successful business takes time and effort. It's not an overnight success story, but a marathon that requires dedication and perseverance. There will be ups and downs, moments of triumph, and times of doubt. There will be challenges and setbacks that test your resolve and determination. But if you are consistent and you never give up, you will succeed. Keep creating content. Keep sharing your story. Keep building your community. Every piece of content you create is a step forward. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Celebrate the small wins and learn from the setbacks. Building a business around your passions should be fun and fulfilling. It should bring you joy and a sense of purpose. So, what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. It's time to unleash your authentic self and become your own niche. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine. The world is waiting for you. Your audience is out there, ready to connect with your story. P.S. Want to learn how to leverage the power of AI to grow your business? Discover the tools and strategies that can take your business to the next level. Download my free guide, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. Today, it's packed with insights and tips to help you succeed.